This car didn't look dangerous, but it embarrassed Mustangs, shocked Camaros, and ruled the streets. Most people think muscle car legends are loud and flashy, but one of the most feared cars was a sleeper. Welcome back to Carverse Info. Today, we're diving into a true American legend, the 1968 to 1972 Chevrolet Nova SS. This car was often underestimated, but never forgotten. While Mustangs and Camaros stole the spotlight, the Nova SS quietly built a terrifying reputation. When equipped with the brutal 396 or the insane 454 big block engine, this simple-looking car became a true street monster. It didn't beg for attention, it earned respect the hard way. Let's start with the design. In 1968, the second-generation Nova received a complete transformation. The old boxy shape was gone, replaced by a cleaner and more aggressive body with a slightly fastback-style profile. It looked muscular, but not overdone. The SS trim made it even better, with blacked-out grills, bold SS badges, and optional hood scoops that hinted at the power underneath. The design was simple, tough, and confident. Every line showed performance, yet the car still felt accessible. From 1968 to 1972, Chevrolet made small visual changes, but the Nova never lost its strong muscle car identity. It was clean, aggressive, and timeless. But the real magic of the Nova SS lived under the hood. This is where the legend was born. Chevrolet offered the famous 396 cubic inch V8, an engine known for massive torque and serious horsepower. And for those who wanted ultimate dominance, there was the legendary 454 big block. Imagine a lightweight Nova body paired with a huge 454 engine. That combination turned this car into a nightmare on the streets and a hero on the drag strip. These engines were not about comfort or smoothness. They were about raw, brutal power. The sound was deep, loud, and aggressive, a rumble that demanded respect before the car even moved. From factory stock to heavily modified builds, Nova SS engines became symbols of pure American muscle, simple, powerful, and unstoppable. Driving a big block Nova SS was an unforgettable experience. This car was built for straight-line speed. It wasn't meant for tight corners, but once the road opened up and you hit the gas, it felt like a rocket. The power-to-weight ratio was insane, making the Nova a favorite among drag racers. Manual transmissions were strong, built to survive the torque, while automatic options like the Turbo 400 were equally tough. Owners loved the mechanical feel, the instant throttle response, and the raw connection between the driver and the engine. No electronics, no filters, just power. Inside the Nova SS, everything was focused on driving. The interior was simple and functional, exactly what a muscle car should be. Bucket seats, floor-mounted shifters, and SS-style gauges reminded you that this was no ordinary compact car. It wasn't luxury-focused, but it was comfortable enough for cruising. Every detail had a purpose. The interior matched the car's personality, honest, aggressive, and performance-driven. Today, the 1968 to 1972 Nova SS is highly respected and highly collectible. Models with original big block engines or correct period builds are especially valuable. Its sleeper image, combined with serious performance, makes it one of the most desired classic muscle cars. Some Nova SS cars are restored to factory-perfect condition, while others are built into wild street machines or drag strip monsters. Either way, they represent a golden era of American muscle, when power, sound, and attitude ruled the streets. So, here's the big question. Would you choose a loud Mustang, a flashy Camaro, or this silent street killer, the Nova SS? Drop a comment and tell us which engine you'd pick, the 396 or the legendary 454. And if you love real muscle car stories like this, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Carverse Info, because